To set up the Nova Click extension for Solana trading on platforms like BullX and Axiom, you will first need an account with one of these exchanges. After signing up, you can receive a 10% discount on all trading fees by using a specific link. To install the NovaClick extension, visit the official website at click.trade on nova.io and click the Download for Chrome option. This will direct you to the Chrome Web Store, where you can add the extension to your browser by clicking the Add to Chrome button and then confirming with the Add Extension option. Once the extension is installed, return to the Novak website and click the Connect Telegram button. You will then be prompted to start the bot. If you have Telegram installed on your computer, you can proceed directly. Otherwise, you can opt to use the web version. After opening the bot in Telegram, click Launch NovaClick and then Open Link when given the option. You will see a success message indicating that you are now connected to NovaClick. Click Got It to complete this step. Next, close the Telegram window and navigate to your exchange platform, such as Axiom or BullX. Click the puzzle icon to access the extensions, and pin the Novak extension for easier access if desired. Click on the Novak extension to enable it, and you will be able to set your presets as needed. With the extension enabled, you can use it to trade on both Axiom and BullX. Simply navigate to a random coin on either platform, and you will see the NovaClick extension available for use.